Hello, I'm going to make a bird feeder you can hang outside to help the birds as it's nice and springtime for them. All out of a toilet roll of seeds, peanut butter and twigs. First I'm going to hole punch the holes in my toilet roll so it's ready for the string to go in and for the twigs. So I've done 2 for the top of the feeder. Now I'm going to do 4 on equal sides so the twigs will go through, so it gives the bird something to stand on while they're feeding off of the twigs, off of the bird seed. Right. Now get your peanut butter. That can be crunchy or smooth. If it's a bit hard, just put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Ask someone to help you if you need help, and then spread it. It can get a bit messy all over your feeder, over your toilet roll. Cover it completely, nice and thick. And then what we're going to do, get a nice container of your bird seed, pop it in, roll it all the way round. And you've actually picked it up, so just squish it down. Like so. Cover it completely. Some will fall off, don't matter. Keep going. There. Right. Now for the bit of string. Because you've got your holes already, so you're not punching through the bird seed. Just tie it together like so. Right. Now on your nice long walks, you can go and get a piece of twig, just break them into 2 nice long bits. You thread them through your holes. Like so. I have to wiggle this one around a bit because if it hits the other one. There. There's your bird feeder, and then you go and hang that up outside for the birds to get hold of. While we're doing the birds, they're nesting at the moment, so they're often looking for nice fluffy stuff to line their nests with. So I've got this old bird feeder and I've just filled it with some wool and some cotton wool or some dog hair and things like that. You can fill it with all nice and loose, short bits of wool, not long bits. Cut them up nice and short. If you haven't got an old bird feeder, what I've just done is I've got a load together with some elastic bands, crumpled them up into a nice ball. Got the elastic bands and put them around tightly, not too tight because the birds want to get the wool out of. You do put 2 or 3 round, so it makes it a nice little round shape, and then you get another piece of string or wool, tie that round one of the elastic bands. I've used a different colour so I can tell which wool I'm pulling, and then you can tie that round the tree. And that will give the birds something to line their nests with, make it nice and soft for them.